Today I'm going to be doing the side marker bulb. That's different than the turn signal bulb. I have a separate video of that. I'll also have the bulb in the description if you want to buy that off Amazon. You can go ahead and grab that. So today we're going to jump into the engine bay. First, start by opening up the hood and let's go in and look. First, the bulb that we need to get to, the marker bulb, is right in here. Let's see if we can get that exposure up. Boom, there it is. But the problem is that there's all this metal stuff in the way. So to get to it, we have to take the intake off. On the driver's side, you can actually just reach down in through here and get to it. It's right there. But I'm going to do the more difficult side, just so you know how to do that. You can skip ahead if you want to just see how the bulb comes out. First, we got to take these guys off, and these have a little trick to them. So when you're taking these guys off, you twist till the head pops up, and then pry this guy up, like so. And they're rubber, so they're a little sticky. Once you can get a handhold on them, then they pop out. So it's not threaded or anything, it just has a little knuckle that pops the top up, and then you can pry them out. So there's two of those. So I got both of those out of there, one there, one there. Now we're ready to just pull this guy up, wiggle back and forth, and it pops right out. So now we can reach in. I'm going to reach my hand up and through here to here. And you can see that. If you have big hands, it makes it a little bit more difficult. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, and the phone's falling over. All right, so you rotate it, you push the bottom. This is the passenger side, but you twist that. And then let's see, finagle that out, and there's that little bulb. The bulb just pulls out. There's the bulb. Now on the new bulb, definitely use rubber gloves, but this guy just pulls right out like that. So that guy pulls out. Then when you go to put the new one in, it just pushes into place. And that's it. Now if you have big hands, this is definitely tricky, but you gotta, yep, there it goes, got it in, and twist, and bulb is in. Let's check and make sure this turns on. So there we go, we got our new marker bulb in there. It is on and working. Let's throw this air intake back on. So for this guy, that slides back on like that. Let's line up our holes here. Make sure your screws are pulled out, and you might have to do like a little bit of a circular motion, pushing those back in, and then you just push down, and that's it. Boom. Circular motion, make sure they're all the way in. Boom. This will have a little bit of wobble, but it shouldn't pull off. And that's how you do it. Make sure to remove all of the tools from the engine bay. And that's it. If this was helpful, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know, and we'll see you next time.